Okay, okay. So I will open up the rooms for 10 minutes, and that means we don't have much time when you come back. But share contact information with each other. You know what to do. Talk a little bit. New team leaders. New team leaders. So the previous team leaders, no, you did your job. Another member, a new member of the team, of your new team, must become leader. No repeat leaders. Experience. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, open. So you're in your rooms, and I'm going to use this time. Oh, no. No. This is a paper. This is not a good paper. Yes, it's separated into chunks of words, but these chunks of words are not paragraphs. Well, Larkin Sensei, I made paragraphs. This is a paragraph. No, it's not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 sentences. 11 sentences. That is not a readable paragraph. Maximum 5 sentences. Maximum. I count. I've been teaching communication skills to third and fourth and first and second year students here in Kadai for a long time. My habit is counting sentences. Over 5 sentences, I don't read. Over 5 sentences in 2 or 3 paragraphs, D. If I feel kind of angry, F. Good, very good, except for no indentation. 5 spaces. 5 spaces. From now, if this is a good, no, 4 sentences, one paragraph, 5 sentences. Very readable, very readable. Now this is my software that checks writing, and it's highlighting second language students' mistakes. No minus points for that. Minus points for no indentation. And finally, this is not good writing. This is not a paragraph. This is haku. Vomit. Translated vomit. If you submit that kind of paper from now, F. Kubi, see you again next year. Edit your writing. Make it readable, not just for me, but for everybody. Introduction, support, 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 conclusion. That's in paragraphs. The first and second paragraph, probably introduction paragraphs. I want 1,000-word essay from you, at least. And the topic that I'm giving you, you could write 1,500 words, 12 or 15 paragraphs, 2, 3 pages, 2 or 3 pages. That's really diligent third-year student work. And that's what I want to see. Diligent, critical thinking, communication, writing. The paper that I'm sharing with you is a science paper, Environmental Science and Technology. This journal is well read by ocean civil engineers all over the world. This is a validation. This is a reason why I've been having you look and read and think about microplastics and their danger. This is validation, back up data. Now, it is rather long. It's 22 pages. And it's dense. But the paragraphs are readable. They're 4 or 5 sentence paragraphs, every one of them. Every one of them, ladies and gentlemen. Now, some of this data is not so important, but the outcomes and the conclusions are very important. I give you 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Use the time. It will help you improve your communication skills. You will, in your careers, have to read these kind of science papers. And that's enough. You're going to come back. Good timing. Welcome back. So when I put you in your breakout rooms to discuss about which is best presentation, I made a little video. And this time, when I put you in your breakout rooms for you to have your first chats with your new team members, remember, now I may look like Jesus Christ, but I am not a God. Though there might be one or two teams that have familiar members in them. So, I do want you to follow my instructions. So I expect to get an email, a good email, identifying the new leader and which teammates will be doing the PowerPoint slides, which teammate will be writing the group opinions speech, and the other members that are producing the PowerPoint slides. The majority, a super majority, two teams got geely grades, but four teams got exceptional or better than average grades today because you had experience working together. So you will be together for 6 more times. Work together. It's important. And I will see you next Monday. Yay! 2 weeks in a row, 3 weeks in a row. Oh, bonsai. Be careful out there. It's cold and flu and COVID season. Thank you very much. Goodbye.